Today in my inner Zoom cooking class, I featured 2 recipes out of my Liliana's Keto cookbook. So I love to have tacos, and so oftentimes the tortillas are going to be a lot of carbohydrates, a corn about 9, and then a white tortilla somewhere around 17, minus those carbs around 17. So I used jicama. Now you can use lettuce leaves, but oftentimes the lettuce leaves will fall apart, but jicama is nice and firm. And what I just did is I grilled it with a little bit of olive oil, and I put a little bit of chipotle powder on there as well. And then I grilled some Mahi Mahi. And so what I just did is I used my famous Aloha fish rub. I love it. I found it on Kauai. I haven't been able to buy it in the stores, but I get it on Amazon and it's organic. So I just basically dusted it, and then I just sauteed it in some ghee and some avocado oil. And so just perfectly, tender, so you don't want to overcook the fish. And then I made a little chipotle mayonnaise, and then avocado, some bell pepper, red onions, and a little bit of jalapeno in there sauteed. So all that fit in these little teeny, little mini tortillas. I call these my street tacos, jicama street tacos. And then I just topped it off with some cilantro sprouts. So again, that's beautiful. And then of course, we're always looking for a little crunch. So a lot of times we're having chips. So the radishes work beautifully for the crunch. Because these are so low carbs, you can indulge yourself in having a little treat afterwards. So if you want a little bit of black beans, you can still get away with it because the carbs are so low. But today I featured some lemon poppyseed keto muffins, and these are fantastic. And they've got a little bit of a lemon glaze over there with just basically some lemon, and then also some Lakanto powdered monk fruit. So just made a little bit of glaze, and then I added also a little bit of lemon zest. So they're going to be sweet, lemony, and tart all at the same time. So these are great for the holiday. They freeze beautifully. So if you haven't already downloaded my Liliana's Keto cookbook, just click the link below and join us on our next Inner Zoom cooking class, which is the last Saturday at 12 o'clock of every month. Have a great day.